Hey Millennium Minders, I'm back with another video for you, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money on your Instagram account and with your Instagram posts, whether you're an influencer or a brand account, where you can buy promotions and shoutouts from these brand accounts and influencers, and how you can earn with this strategy too. And this is a fairly new platform that was released a couple of months ago that combines influencers, which is Instagrammers aka you, and brands that are willing to pay money for shoutouts. And I'm going to show you how you can earn from this and get paid for this. And this is a worldwide and international website for anybody to earn. So wherever you are watching this video, this is the strategy for you if you want to earn on Instagram. And you do not need a lot of followers at all. You can earn on this strategy or this method even if you have less than 200 followers. And this is a free and easy method to do, and make sure that you follow every single step with this method. Otherwise, if you miss a step, you're really not going to understand how this works. There are some really key and important steps that you need to understand in this video for you to earn on your Instagram account. But without further ado, let's get straight into the method. And the website that I'm going to show you guys today is called influencer.yrcharisma.com. And you can open up a new Google tab and just type in influencer yrcharisma. And it'll pop up first on the first link. You can see your influence, the #1 influencer marketplace. And you'll see it will look like this when you click on that link. And this is what the homepage looks like. And this is essentially a website that pays you to monetize your Instagram account, which is really, really cool. And this is how it works. What you first need to do is you obviously need to sign up your account. So if you go to the top right, you will see a sign up or sign in button. And you want to create an account where you will just enter your email, password, and some other information they might ask you for. Once that's done, you can see the homepage will look like this. And if I scroll down, I can see some of the top featured influencers. And what these are basically gigs. So these are influencers or Instagrammers that are selling shout outs or promotions through gigs on this website. So you can see this person here is selling Apple, it looks like a car niche, so how to become more related to the car niche for $50. But you can see on the top right, there's a whole bunch of different niches. So I'm going to use the music niche, for example. And you can see when I land on this page, here are some of the music gigs that people are offering where they will shout out and promote your channel. So you can see, for example, here, looking for a brand to promote my event page, cheap promotion, post and story, shout out $50, $100. Here we go, music promotion at $50. So I'm going to use this one for example. So let's open up this gig and it will look like this. So you can see music promotion, get your music to a whole new audience in real time. Music is just the example niche that I'm using. You can use anything that you'd like or whatever niche you're involved in. And you can see they've also got a WhatsApp group where you can keep in contact with these people, constantly promoting your Instagram page. So you can see this Instagram page has an audience of 50,000 followers. So what this means is this niche or this specific seller or promoter or influencer is selling a gig at $50, and you will get a shout out on his Instagram page with 50,000 followers. So you're bound to get a lot of followers, views, and likes from this shout out. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up yourself, how brands and Instagram accounts can look for you on this website, and essentially how they can purchase gigs from you and how you can earn money through this platform with your Instagram account. And I know this specific music account has 50,000 followers, and they're selling at $50, but you can create a gig and let people find you on this platform where you will get paid even if you have less than 200 followers, 500 followers, maybe 1,000 followers. But obviously the more followers you have, the more you're going to get paid, obviously because you're getting a greater engagement. So more people are seeing the ads that are being monetized on your Instagram page. So obviously the bigger your page, the more you could earn. But you can start off small and work your way up. So you can see if I go to my dashboard, I've made an account just so that you can see what it looks like on the inside. You've got your balance, so your working balance, your available balance, and the pending balance, and your total balance available for withdrawal. So what you can do is you can create a neat little account, create your bio with a brief description of what you do, more involved around your niche. So you can see mine is how to make money online. And if you want to get started by posting your own gigs and essentially earning through Instagram, this is how you're going to do this. So you can see if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there is a section called Home, Post Gig, and Post Campaign. So you want to start off with Post a Gig. And you can see they've got Create a Seller Gig, they've got Create a Feature Seller Gig, Create a Top Feature Seller Gig. So you can also create a standard gig, and you can also see the price. You can pay extra money if you want it to be featured or top featured, where basically thousands of people that come on this website will see your gig on the homepage. But you can start off with a basic Create a Seller Gig within your niche, and this is free. You don't need any money to do this. So for example, you want to start off with the name of your gig. So I'm just going to go at J Froneman, which is my Instagram. I'm going to go travel niche, and I promote travel products and Instagram pages on my page with a, let's say, 6,000 follower base. And I'm going to set this to $50 per post, and you can also select the duration of posting after purchase, so how long the post will remain up after somebody purchases your gig. So let's say, for example, somebody comes onto my gig and purchases it for $50. I'm going to let this be valid for, let's say, 3 days, which is 72 hours. And your category, you just want to set that to obviously your relative category. So in this case, mine is travel. So I'm going to go down to T and look for travel. There we go, travel. Do you place your link in the bio? So you can go yes or no. Obviously, you know what the bio is. So if you want to include a link to the Instagram post or page in your bio when somebody purchases this gig from you, this is entirely up to you. And do you sell story shoutouts? Yes or no? So you can go story or post. So I'm going to then choose what's the duration of the shoutout for the story. So you can go 24 hours or 48 hours. So in this case, I'm just going to use 48 hours, for example. And what you can also do is you can do a brief description. So for example, tell a little bit about your Instagram page, the type of posts you post, your follower base, how your engagements rate is. So for example, my account is based around the travel niche. I have 6,000 followers and I get an average of 1,500 views per story and an average of 500 to 1,000 likes per post. And you can leave that in the description. You can also add some pictures of your Instagram account. So you can go to your Instagram account, take some screenshots of the different stats or growth or engagement that you have with your Instagram account and add this to your Instagram gig on influencer.com. And you can also add video content. So if you want to add a video from YouTube or Vimeo, you can do that. And you can also add extra services. So for example, consulting, power likes, you can have power likes. You can also include DM groups involved with this gig, for example, and you can also enter tags. So, for example, Instagram shout out, Instagram gig, or whatever it may be. You can add tags. So for when people do searches for your gig, there's a higher chance that they will find your gig. And once that's done, you can save your gig and launch that. And I'm not going to do that, as this is just an example niche, because if I launch this, I don't want people buying this gig from me for a travel niche when I don't actually have a travel niche page. But for example, if you're into music, if you're into money making, if you're into any niche you want, you can come here and create a gig just like this and earn through Instagram revenue and monetizing your Instagram account with this platform. And now brands and Instagrammers can look for you, and if they really want to purchase a gig, maybe they really like your page, they can purchase a gig from you and you give them the shout out that you've promised or that you've offered on yrinfluencer.com. And this is how you monetize your Instagram page and get paid for adverts. And you will get a message straight to your chat or your account on yrinfluencer.com when you get a purchase with your gig, and you will know exactly what to do from there. You will see the instructions that they've given you. So for example, if they've purchased your travel niche, you know that you must promote their Instagram page on your Instagram page. For example, on your story, you just create a simple story post. And what you want to do is, if you as a buyer want to come on this platform and get your own Instagram page, you can also get your YouTube channel shouted out. You want to come over to the dashboard or the menu button. You want to come over to buy and you want to click on find influencers. And once that's done, a page like this will pop up where you can filter between various different influencers. So you can search by a keyword, various languages, interests. So for example, the niche. So let's say in my case, I'm going to go let's go culture as an example. Country, you can choose a country, your follower network, Instagram accounts, pricing, and a gig rate. So for example, I'm going to search that, for example, in the culture niche, and you can see there are 3 people here. So I'm just going to use this guy, for example. If I want to click on his account, I can DM him or contact him through this page if I want to organize a shout out on his page. So this is a great way to really boost your follower network as well. So you can see this guy has a follower network of 17,000 followers, and this is what his page looks like. So you can see I am a social media influencer, mostly based on Instagram, seeking to bring you content to my fans. I have a loyal fan base of over 17,000 followers. So what you can do is you can send him a custom order, or you can click on the contact page and you can say, hey, I saw your post on YR Charisma. I am wanting to get my culture Instagram page shouted out and promoted with you. I look forward to working with you. For example, that's a good example message. You can also attach a file, like a screenshot of your Instagram page if you want to do that, and you can send that off. And as I say, I think this is really an incredible platform to post gigs and start making money on Instagram. And I mean, not only make money on Instagram, but to also boost your followers, get legitimate and organic followers to your Instagram account, which essentially you can funnel towards YouTube if you want to get more views and subscribers. So this is really a great platform to get started with that. And as I say, I think this platform is really underrated in terms of how you can make money online with this platform, when you can really make a solid income with this platform. And what you can also look at doing is you could look at flipping Instagram accounts. So if you Google, for example, buy Instagram accounts, you can basically see this as an investment. So if I go to socialtrade.com, you can buy Instagram accounts on a page like this. So for example, here you can buy an Instagram page for $300 and they have 14,000 followers based in the animal niche. So what you can do is you can look at this as an investment. So if you purchase this account, you can start putting gigs on YRinfluencer.com and actually run this as an Instagram business and generate money. You will make your $300 back literally in 3 or 4 purchases on a gig where you will shout people out. So this is a great way to really make money online. You can turn this into a full-on business model if you like. You can purchase more than one Instagram page and promote a whole bunch of gigs on YRinfluencer.com. I mean, some people on this website are making hundreds and hundreds of dollars per week just promoting or monetizing their Instagram account. So the opportunity for you to earn on a website like this is really great. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, comment down below what you think of YRinfluencer.com, and also leave a like if you really enjoyed this video. I'll really appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content like this on how you can make money online. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.